Hi, I'm Rick Peltier, Executive Director of the Franciscan Health Foundation. For over 25 years now, the McAuley Clinic in downtown Hammond has been the home for essential health care for patients without insurance or those who are underinsured. Most people in the community don't know the impact of what goes on inside these doors. But we're going to show you the story now of Mr. and Mrs. Flores.
Well, it started 3 years ago. He had his first episode of vertigo, and nobody was home except my mom, who was in her 80s, and it sounded like he was having a heart attack. And they said, well, you know, there's not much to do. You need to have your ears checked or whatever. So then gradually, like 6 months after, he was complaining his hearing, so he thought he had infection. So he was trying everything for his ears, and then the vertigo was coming. So it just got worse and worse. But without insurance, you can call, but from there you can't do much because you need insurance for the testing.
Make my appointment. Dr. Martha show up, and she was checking everything. That's when she found out that I had a heart problem. Got a messed up valve, or bad valve in my heart.
And then they found that he had a malformation in the brain. Then the next day we go to the surgeon and he says, no, he needs the surgery in 3 weeks. And it's like, okay, it was a lot.
After a month, went to do all the testing that they need for the surgery. And then like 2 weeks, 3 weeks after, I went to surgery, open heart surgery.
So they help. They know more programs. They help you apply for the grants. They got us the health insurance. And his situation, not knowing how severe it was or serious, yeah, I think if they wouldn't have told him about it, I don't think we would have known about here or where to go. He wouldn't be here.
Wouldn't be here. I thank God for coming over here, Dr. Martha telling me that I had something in my heart. So we went through the process. And thanks to her, God, my family, is still here.
In a way, I always say God always has a lot to do. It helps us, it guides us, and it shows us the way.
I'm Dr. Art Bronco. I'm a retired general surgeon on the staff at St. Margaret Hospital for about 40 years. I was on the original McAuley Clinic board when McAuley Clinic was formed 25 years ago. The idea of the clinic was to provide services to the people who fall through the cracks. The people who are working, don't qualify for welfare, are not Medicaid, and need medical care. So that was our mission, to provide free care to those people who needed it and were not able to afford it. We have had many physicians who have been loyal to the clinic and have been on the staff here for 25 years, who provide care free of charge. They volunteer here. Well, I'm here today to thank all of our sponsors and donors who have contributed this year to the McAuley Clinic fundraiser. The patients and the McAuley Clinic staff greatly appreciate your generosity.
Thank you so much for taking time to learn more about the work of the clinic. If you want to help make a difference and an impact for people like Mr. and Mrs. Flores, please visit us at franciscanhealthfoundation.org.